Hello friends, today we will learn how to use new feature text tool with mask and their animation. Using motion graphic functionality, we will create a simple flying logo with text animation trail in Maya 2017. Okay. For getting start, we have opened first my application Autodesk Maya 2017. Here you can see some new features like text features in Maya 2017. So first we will create a text. So just click on text. Now your text created on the viewport. Whatever you want to create the text. So first look your text feature. So just selected. Write the text whatever you want. So just I written text, my text Dream FX. Now if you want to change your font style, so just go arrow mark and you can change your text. Okay, so just okay, I want to my text something like this, Mul Boran. Okay, in your case what you wish to create your text, so you can change here. Increase the text size, so just kept it in 8 value. Now my text is created. If you want to give the kerning scale and leading scales, you can change here. Just click on geometry panel for setting your extrusion and mesh setting. I want to keep more smoother my text, so just give value here something 6 to increase my text tessellations for smoothing. And here just drag down and just keep deformable tab and turn on deformable tab. Deformable tab, after turning you can see your mesh just tessellated now. So I want to give tessellation just less length, so increase the value for including more text inside my text meshes. So in this case I just kept value 0.5. okay, now I want to decrease my extrusion, so just give extrusion value and just extrusion distance decrease like this value. I want to 0.5 for my text thickness, and I don't want to more thickness, so just I've kept it lump sum 0.25. okay, now your text created. Okay, now this time to change my material on the text. It will look in color way, so just right click and choose material Lambert and rename the material. For using more time, my text matte something. This is my material, this is created in Villain. So just give value and just color in color checker panels, click on checker buttons and just apply ramp. I want to keep multiple color on my text, so just click on more. So just click on a point and just change the value like white color, and here I want to give something in my case I want to give value like orange color, and just click another and slide it whatever you want to look your text. This is your choice. Just go on shading panel menus and just click on hardware texturing on, so it will look on the viewport color. Okay, now this time to animate my text. So how can you animate your text? So just click on text and just go type panel, type, then go upward something more. So here you can look here one panel looking like animation, so just click on animate. Now your animation attributes are enabled. Now animation mode, if you want to animate your text one by one, just keep it in character mode. If you want to animate your whole text at a time, then you have to keep it in word mode. This time I want to one by one character animated. So in translation value, if you give the value in translation with animation, so we have to insert set key. So here not looking your time sliders, so just turn on time slider, just go and animation mode and just window setting preferences and preferences. Here UI elements, just turn on your time slider. So your time slider, now you can start your animation just with clicking type mesh attributes. So just go down and animation, then keep it here. Now also open your Windows outliner. So we have selected outliner and selected text tool and click Ctrl A for opening your attribute editor. Inside the attribute editor, just we want to animate this. Click on first frame slider and just give the Y value for animation. So just right click and set key, one set key, initial key inserted on the frame 1 and just slide down, slide up your time slider on 50 value, then again right click and key selected. Now your animation initial and ending key inserted, just slide down in 25 frame, then give value something 8 or right click and key selected. So now your text animated now. Okay, so you can see your text animated now. Again I want to my text in rotation also in animation, so just go one by one text and just drop down again in initial place. So this time I want to animate this like rotation also, so just keep time slider on one value, again one frame 1 and right click and key selected and go on 50 frame and keep value 360 degree and right click, key selected. In one frame your text in initial stage and the 50 frame your text will be again, and just draw down and just keep it one time again on the grid. Now I am going to create mask tool for creating trail in outliner. Open the outliner, first create one polygon like box polygon and box polygon selected, go the polycube width, height and depth, scale down. So keep value here 0.25 something smaller, your cube will be a small. So I don't want to, I want to again change the value more smaller, so just keep 0.1 value and just press enter. So all width, height and depth value will be changed. Now cube selected, click on mass button on the self menu. Here looking some mass tool, so you can select it. You selected P cube and just click on mass tool for creating mass. So now your mass tool activated. Okay, so here is a mass tool available in the outliner. So double click on outliner, and then you can see here your mass attribute open, and here looking some distribution and mass repro tab. So just click on mass distribute map for opening their attributes. So here I want to stuck my polycube on the text mesh. So increase the value text your cube now increased, number of tube increased in distribution map. So I want to mesh, so mesh selected. Here give a one dialog like mesh not selected this time. So selected mesh, here you can see, just go down in mesh tab. Here not looking mesh, any mesh inside the input mesh. So type mesh, middle mouse button selected, and drag and drop on mass. Now you can see your type mesh 1 included with input mesh. So input mesh included here, and your tube your P cube are distributed on the text mass, something like this your report. Now this selected mass also use inside the mass tool the trail. I want to create trail with the text. So here just scroll down, and you can see here the trail utility. So selected mass and click on trail and just add trail node. So trail node apply right now. So just minimize this and try to play once. Now you can see your text included some trails. If you want to trail controls, so just go type mass, okay, and just just go mesh repro mesh, double click and open your attribute again. Here you can increase the value for distribute panel, and just slide, just keep down values something less, like I want to keep value 50, so it's going to just increase the value, but this time I want to 75 value, so it will be better. Okay, now slide the, you can see your text generating. Text generated trail like this. Now if you want to make the trail thickness or profiles wise, so just create it one any circle or whatever you want to make profile like your tail looking. So just click on circle curve, and circle curve selected, select the trail value, trail mass, and just open your attribute panels. In the trail mass trail, you can change the profile curve. Okay, and also you can set the trail scale. If you want to trail scale more, then you can change here value. If you want to trail length more, smaller or bigger, so just you can change here. In this time I want to change 20 value, and just decay trail. If you turn on decay trail, your animation will be some different, like this. Okay, profile curve, I need to include profile curve which is created in nerve circle. So selected nerve circle and drag inside the profile curve for the make profile your trail profiles. So it look like the profile like circular. Okay, so just again play your animation. This time I want to trail something, change my trail. So just turn on animation and just give here maximum trail length and profile. So I want to curve sample scale more, smaller, like this, something 0.5. Now it look like small profile. Okay, now not looking the shader, the trials. So mesh tile selected, right click and apply existing material which is created before my text mat. So just I have applied my text, and just minimize this and just play one. Okay, if you want to change your animation, just play real time, it will play faster. And just render. So in rendering this is the faster, so not looking better trail in the your texture text. So just keep the playback every time, and just now you render it. In this way we have learned how to create text trail and with animation, and using motion graphics tool inside the Maya 2017. In next tutorial we will learn more about the motion graphics in details. Okay, thank you. Hello friends, today we will learn how to use new feature text tool with mouse and